Good news Dabawenyos, dagay promos and vouchers si Foodpanda this month of June. You heard it right. What's up Davao? It's your Nomad. Working from home has never been this easy. Medyo boring ikaw ra isa, og di jud malikayan nagutumon ka. But no worries, to the rescue si Foodpanda. Daghan sila gi-offer na vouchers para sa Dabawenyos. Use the code KAON for up to 50% off from 11 AM to 10 PM. Kini guys, use the code LAMI for 300 pesos off during weekends. Lastly, use the code DAVONYO for 50% off plus free delivery on first order. That's why nag-order ko sa Garridos Food Counter, one of Davao's OG restos nga nag-serve og lami nga food. Og niabot na si Foodpanda rider, apti ka oy. Indeed, they are the quickest and easiest way to order your favorite food. Og mga onata, I ordered lumpia Shanghai pork. Ini guys, akong fave, garlic buttered shrimps. Matik na ang rice. I also ordered chicken caldereta. And lastly, garlic fried chicken. Og dili mawala ang soft drinks. So guys, what are you waiting for? Download and open your Foodpanda app now. Avail these vouchers. Og mga unta, Davao. Guys, mauna siguro ni ang pinakasulit na treat ni Foodpanda. Yes, you heard it right. You can get 200 pesos off using the code PANDA. What's up Davao? It's your Nomad. And for today's video, it was around Saturday afternoon nga na-general cleaning me sa office. Og syempre, kauban ako ang mga work besties for today's video. Nagipanggutuman me, we decided to order merienda via Foodpanda. Og naay good news guys, you can get 200 pesos off by simply using the code PANDA in stores like Jollibee, Greenwich, McDo, and Shakey's. Og niabot na among order, apti ka oy. O diba, sulit kaayo, nabusog na ka, nakasave pa jud ka. Di pa jud kaayo ako mga work besties. Ug mao lang to guys, order via Foodpanda now and follow for more Nomad Recos. What's up Davao? It's your Nomad. Working in a bank had never been so easy. Banking industry has taught me being patient, responsible, and accountable. Ug sometimes sa kabisi, dili na mapansin ang oras. Tingkaon na di ay. Ug may na lang to the rescue si Foodpanda. Foodpanda has been my online food delivery partner since pandemic. Ug naa na si Foodpanda rider. Apti ka oy. Indeed, Foodpanda is the quickest and easiest way to order your favorite food. Ug mao na yung exciting part. O diba, less hassle. Dili na kailangan mo gawa sa office. Kaya naa na si Foodpanda mo deliver sa imong food. Don't forget to share to your work besties. So what are you waiting for? Live like a panda.
Food Panda, food and more.